Now we are going to see about the over exploitation of forest. Over exploitation means we are utilizing more the forest resources is referred as the over exploitation. This is happened due to overpopulation. Now let us see what are the causes which is responsible for the over exploitation. First one is the increasing agricultural production. Second one is the increasing industrial activities. Third one, wood demand. All this leads to overutilization of the forest resources. Now we are going to see about the deforestation. Already we know about the deforestation, the process of removal of forest resources due to many natural or man-made activities is referred as the deforestation. For the deforestation, there are so many reasons are available. The first one is the developmental projects. Due to that, there will be clearing of forest resources, and also the mining operation leads to the deforestation. Raw material for industry, we are so many raw material for industries. For that, we are destructing the wood in which is available in the forest. For fuel requirement, we are going for the deforestation. Shifting cultivation, forest fire, these all leads to the deforestation. Next one, due to developmental project, the natural resources of the forest are overexploited. Now let us see what are the things which leads to overexploitation of forest resources. Through submerge of forest area underwater, and also this destruction of forest area due to construction of dam, hydroelectric power project, road construction. Due to that, there is over exploitation of forest resources, or there will be a deforestation. The second one is the mining operation. Due to mining, it reduces, the mining operation reduces the forest area. We are digging the earth for the requirement of mica, coal, manganese and limestone. Due to that, the forest area has been reduced. Next, we are in need of raw material for industry. For that, we are going for the deforestation. We know the wood is the raw material for so many purposes, for making boxes, furnitures, plywood, matchboxes. For that, we require wood. So for that, we are clearing the forest. Next one, for fuel requirement, we are destructing the forest. Still, the rural and tribal peoples use wood as a fuel daily, so that they are cutting down the trees. For that, there will be deforestation. Shifting cultivation, monospecific tree plantation leads to disappearance of number of plant and animal species. Next one, forest fire leads to destruction of the forest resources. These are the important sources which leads to the deforestation or over exploitation of the forest resources. Next one, what are the impact of the deforestation on the environment? The first one is the global warming. Second one is the loss of genetic diversity. Third one is the soil erosion. Fourth one is the loss of biodiversity. Fifth one is the loss of food grains. First, we are going to see about the global warming. This is one of the reason for the this is one of the impact of the deforestation on the environment. We know what is global warming. The temperature of the globe get increased gradually is referred as the global warming. This is due to the cutting or burning of forest that increases the CO2 in the atmosphere. When CO2 increases, there will be increased amount of greenhouse effect on the environment. Due to that, the rising of sea level will be happened over there. Due to that, and there will be a depletion of ozone layer. Then next, the loss of genetic diversity is the another impact on the environment. We know the forest is the greatest storehouse of the genetic diversity. It provides food, medicine for the entire world. When we destruct the forest, all these things get destructed over there, so we will suffer loss of food as well as loss of medicine. And then third one is the soil erosion. When we do deforestation, definitely we can see soil erosion on the earth. It causes landslide, flood and drought. The fourth one is the loss of biodiversity. This is the another impact. When plants destroyed, food for some animals become demand. And then fifth one is the loss of food grains. Due to soil erosion, the countries loses the food grain. These are the impact of the some of the impact of the deforestation on the environment. Let us see what are the preventive measures of deforestation. Migration of people from island to the mainland should be banned. Tree plantation program have been started. Then awareness program must be initiated to create awareness among the people. And then strict implementation of law forest conservation of act. This leads to prevent the deforestation.